In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the dashboard on KDP, a comprehensive KDP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out in the world of self-publishing, understanding how to efficiently use the KDP dashboard is essential for managing and promoting your books. So let's get started and make sure you can make the most of this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to log into KDP. Head over to the Kindle Direct Publishing website and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll manage your books, track your sales, and even run your marketing campaigns. It's designed to be user-friendly, but taking a few minutes to familiarize yourself with its layout can really set you up for success. Now that you're on the dashboard, let's move on to the bookshelf. The bookshelf is truly the heart of your KDP experience. This is where you can view all the titles that you've published or are currently working on. You'll be able to see each book's status, whether it's in review, live, or unpublished. This section is crucial because it's where you can make updates to your book's details, like the description or pricing, and even start a new publishing project. Make sure to spend some time exploring this, because the information here is vital for keeping your titles up to date and managing them effectively. Next up, you'll want to check out the reports section. Here you can review your sales performance and royalties. It's empowering to see this data, as it allows you to understand what's working and adjust your strategy. You'll find detailed reports on your sales figures over various time periods and insights into which titles are resonating most with your readers. It can also be motivating to see your hard work translating into numbers. Make it a habit to check your reports regularly, as they are your best resource for assessing how well your books are doing. Finally, let's delve into the marketing section. This is where you can really amplify your reach. Within the Marketing tab, you'll explore opportunities for advertising and promotions to boost your book's visibility. Effective marketing can drastically increase your book's discoverability, leading to more sales and engagement with your audience. From Kindle deals to Amazon assets, this section is packed with tools to help promote your books. It's worth taking the time to plan out some promotional strategies to maximize your potential reach. With these steps in mind, you're now equipped to confidently navigate the KDP dashboard. Each section plays a vital role in the life cycle of your published work, from managing your catalog to understanding sales data and promoting your books. Dive in, explore, and make the most of these tools to support your author journey. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.